For extreme hair growth, try this natural remedy twice a week. It can help with different types of hair loss, whether it's autoimmune, nutritional, or even due to fungal overgrowth. You'll be using onion juice, and I'll show you exactly how to supercharge that simple recipe to make it way more effective. Now, if you're skeptical, you should be. A lot of things out there just don't work. One common concern is the smell. Will your hair smell like onions? Not if you wash it properly. Shampoo your hair twice after applying, and there won't be any lingering onion smell. What's powerful about onions is their sulfur content. Sulfur helps your body make keratin, the main protein in hair. Onions are also rich in quercetin, which is known to calm autoimmune responses and boost growth hormones in hair follicles. Plus, it's a strong antimicrobial that helps with scalp issues like dandruff, yeast, or fungus. Here's how to make the basic recipe. Use 1 organic red onion for the high quercetin. Chop it, blend it, then strain the juice using cheesecloth. Store it in a jar or squeeze bottle. In the shower, wet your hair and massage the juice into your scalp for a couple of minutes. Leave it in for 30 to 60 minutes. Use a shower cap if needed. Then rinse and shampoo twice. Do this twice a week for 4 to 6 weeks, and you may start noticing regrowth by week 3 or 4. Want to take it further? Add 5 drops of rosemary oil to your onion juice. Studies show rosemary oil can be just as effective as some hair loss medications. It stimulates the scalp, boosts blood flow, and supports autoimmune hair issues. Finally, don't forget vitamin D. Aim for 10,000 to 20,000 IUs daily, or get good sun exposure. And eat the right foods to support hair growth. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more natural remedies that work.